Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're back on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. I've got blue nails. I thought I'd see a little bit of blue. I love a bit of baby blue. But today's video is going to be another face mask review, testing, first impressions. I've noticed recently that you've really liked these videos, so I'm bringing another one to you. We've got a whole big series going on. That is the video that's going to happen today. Before I get into the video and actually show you the product, I just want to say the nitty gritty stuff, which is if you like the video and the content and any of the products that I do show you in this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because I know then you guys like it and you want to see more, and then the video will hopefully go around a little bit more and lots of other people can see it. Like, that's basically what my video, they're more review videos than anything. So that's with it. And just on that note, I am not sponsored by any of the brands that I do show you or any that I do mention. It is all out of my own money, so I'm not sponsored. If you are new here today and this is your first video that you're watching me, then please give it a thumbs up, because I know a lot more of you are joining, so that is really good. If you would like to come and join the little love family, then you know what to do, and hit the subscribe button, because you can join my little YouTube channel as we go along. That's if you're new, but if you're already a subscriber, then thanks for joining and thanks for supporting me. It means the most to me. There is a clickable button on my main page that is for Instagram and Twitter. If you want to check out my other social medias, click on that button and it will take you to them pages, so you can follow, like, whatever you would like to do is completely up to you. But yeah, you can check them out. I'm not sponsored by the video or anything else, so we will now get on into the face pack review, testing and first impressions video. The product that I'm going to use today is this little face pot that I actually got from Poundland. So this really intrigued me because I've already got a face pot like this from Lush. So it looks very lush, but what sort of put me to it was the fact it is from the LANDOFNOD. Is a clay face mask, and it's relaxing and calming lavender with essential oils to aid a good night's sleep. And this looked really interesting to me. It was only £1, like I said, at the pound shop, but it looked really interesting to me because, you know what, anything that gets you to sleep or makes you sleep better through the night, that is a good little tool to keep on using. But I did only pick one of these up. This is going to be the first time I've used it, and we will then get on in the video. But I just want to show you first that this is completely new. It has got a seal on the top. I can't actually see what it is. I am going to open this and we can have a look what is inside. It's got a nail file, so if you do ever open things like this, just be very careful, because this is sharp. But it's just the easiest thing that I've got. Top, it's proper full because it's on my thing. Oh my god, it's really strong lavender, really strong. I thought this was really good for the price, to be fair. I thought it was really good for the money, and I thought it's probably a little dupe because probably Lush already kind of probably, I just got in my nail, just got my face. Lush already do a clay mask, so yeah, like you can see, I've literally put it on my face, but yeah, it's quite nice. Feels soft, like you can see the texture. I've digged my nail in there. I'm either going to use with this little tool that I've used in one of my face mask videos. It's just a silicone little brush and you put it on your face, or I've got this brush that I got from Poundland. It's just a makeup brush, but it actually works really well, and sometimes you can get in there and put it on your face. So I'm just going to clip my hair up. My apologies, I have just been talking to myself because I thought I pressed record, but I hadn't. I haven't done that in such a long time. You can see that I put it on my face and what tool I actually use, so I will go completely through that all again with you because that's what we got to do on this channel. So I've opened it up. I completely opened the whole thing up. I think that's what you might have seen last time. And that's what the consistency. So literally got the brush, just went round, and it's like a nice creamy consistency, which I basically said last time. Got some on my brush and then just put some on my face. And you probably could, like I said, it's not thick, it's not like a proper thick clay mask. It looks like it's going to give me some sort of moisture, which is really, really nice into my face. A bit different from an actual clay mask. What you could do is probably put one layer on if you didn't think it was enough, and then put another layer on just to like double up and just to make it a bit more effective. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you on a time lapse, and then I will review it after it's just on my face. Back again, you can see that I haven't completely got this on my face. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be a little bit silent, and then you can see it being put on my face for a little bit. Obviously that will get a little bit boring, but I'm just trying to get the clip on because for some reason my time lapse is looking so white. You probably saw that little clip and my face looks white. I don't know what's happening with the light and everything. I'm trying to film with natural light. I don't know what's going on there. I don't want to put fake light on because you won't see the true effects. So I'm just going to film this for a little bit and I will probably go quiet. Right, I'm just going to finish this up. Now you've seen it on my face. We will be back in a couple minutes. Now you can see that I'm covered, which is great, and it's actually hardening a bit. You probably have to put a few layers on this. You can tell, I'm not being funny, that it is a cheap face mask. But it doesn't mean that it won't do the job. It's just a very thinning layer face mask, which is at the end of the day is fine. You can just tell it is a little bit thin. It's very, very, like the scent of it, of lavender, is very, very strong. It is unreal, but it's nice at the end of the day. I don't actually like it, and I feel it's sort of like soothing my skin, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes and probably do a bit of editing on a different video, and then I will be back. Did a bad thing. Once I put it on my face, I didn't come back and review it how I felt, so I will go through that before I genuinely feel what I feel now. Basically, when I put it on my face, it was very potent of lavender. You can smell it now, literally when I move sometimes. It is so potent, but it's good, honestly. But then it's weird how it's gone along. So basically it felt really, really nice on my face. You can see now that it's literally like dried down really, really well. It's not really cakey on my face. But like I said, you could probably put one layer on and then go over another layer very, very soon after, because it dries very, very quick. I don't know, like I can't explain how I feel. So basically it is tight into my face. Love that. That's what a good clay mask should do. I feel like tight here, like my sinuses feel tight, like literally tight as hell. I'm not sure if that is the potent smell or that is the clay mask generally work, but here, like I feel like I generally just felt like I've put this on and got a cold, and I clearly have not. I clearly couldn't have got that straight away from this, so I don't know what it's done to like my sinuses, and that's how I feel clearly at the moment, which is really, really weird. So like I said, this is what it looks like. So where I put like bigger splodges here, like they've literally have dried. Literally the whole lot is dried. I look like a ghost right now. That's the only bit that hasn't dried, that I've put like big clumps of it on. Apart from that, it feels nice. It just feels really, really tight here. But now I'm going to go and wash this off, and then I will be back and I'll see if I've got the same sort of feeling on my face. Right, I've just washed my face. I'm going to be very quick because you can see that the natural light is literally going, and it's starting to rain, so it's definitely going to go because it's going to get blacker. I wiped it off and the tightness around my sinuses and my eyes actually have gone. I think it was literally the face mask that was doing it, but if I want to be completely honest, and I left it on a good 20 minutes, probably over, I don't think it's done as great as the other ones. I like it for something if I want something thin, but if I want a proper clean, I just feel like it's put more texture into my face, and with a face mask I want it to make it feel clean, smooth, and that hasn't done it. Actually, in my verdict, this is not the greatest. I will keep it, I will use it occasionally, but it's not something I'd pick up and use again. Let me know if you have used this or you haven't, and comment down below if you have, because then I want to hear your verdict of what you're going to say, and that would be quite cool. It has come to the end of the video, so unfortunately this one is a which I normally don't say about any face mask, but this has unfortunately come to the end of the video. But if you did like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because like I said, if you like, maybe you like the product, so you will give the video a thumbs up. Like the video or you like the advice, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new, then please hit the subscribe button and come and join the Little Love family. You are more than welcome. And like I said, the other subscribers that have joined me already, then thank you very much. I am not sponsored by any of the brands, or Poundland, or the LANDOFNOD, any that I did mention. This is out of my own money. That's why you get a true verdict from these videos, because I have bought it. But anywho, this has come to the end. I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening. Go and get yourself a drink, put a face mask on, and literally go and relax for the evening or day. I will see you all again. Thanks for watching. Bye.